Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook in Project Zomboid. First, understand that cooking is crucial for survival, preventing hunger and illness. You'll need basic tools like a pot or pan and ingredients such as vegetables and meat. Learning simple recipes will keep your character fed and healthy, boosting morale and overall well-being in the apocalypse. It's a fundamental skill for long-term survival, ensuring your character can endure for many weeks. To begin, gather essential cooking utensils like a sturdy pot, a frying pan, and a sharp knife. Search homes and stores for fresh food items such as carrots, potatoes, and meat, alongside non-perishables like canned goods. Remember, fresh food spoils quickly, often within a few days, so prioritize cooking it or finding a refrigerator. Understanding food preservation is key to extending your supplies for many days, sometimes even for a month. Once you have your supplies, combine ingredients in a cooking pot or pan. Use a heat source like an oven, a campfire, or a barbecue to cook your meal. Ensure the food is fully cooked to avoid sickness. Raw meat, for example, is dangerous and can cause severe illness. Simple dishes like stir-fries or stews can provide significant hunger reduction and mood benefits, making your character much happier and more effective for several hours. As you progress, explore more complex recipes that offer greater nutritional value and longer-lasting benefits. Combining various ingredients can create dishes that provide substantial hunger reduction, a significant mood boost, and even skill experience. For instance, a hearty stew might reduce hunger by 80% and give a 25-point mood increase. Mastering cooking ensures your survivor thrives, not just survives, allowing them to tackle challenges with greater energy and focus for many days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.